Monday, November 16th. And this lesson is going to be broken up into two parts. Today and tomorrow, you are going to be coming up with your overall topic and your supporting topics for your feature articles. So we are going to use a graphic organizer to basically come up with the main topic of your whole research, and your subtopics that you're going to have in your article. Okay. So you are going to be using this house organizer. The house organizer is a blank document that looks like this. And our job today is going to be coming up with our topic sentence and then our three details. Okay, you might even want to go ahead today and do your transitions so you'll have those finished as well. And then the rest of the week, we will be coming up with evidence and explanations for each of your details. So you'll need to upload that to your PDF markup, and you can use that for the rest of the week, and then you will be turning that in on Friday. Okay, so I want you to think about your overall topic for your whole feature article. Mine again is the decline of youth sports, and I want you to remember those boxes and bullets. This was back in a reading lesson, so if you need to go refer to that, it is in the, let's see, I think the beginning of November for reading. So just look for boxes and bullets and reading, and then you will have your topic. You probably already have these questions at the top of your note-taking pages as well. So you're going to use those three questions, and you're going to kind of turn them into your supporting details. So you're kind of changing your question into statements, okay? So I have that my topic is about the decline in youth sports. Well, I need to say something about that. I need to create a topic sentence for my whole entire research. So I have come up with this topic sentence. Many studies show that there is a decline in kids participating in youth sports. So when I've done my research on these questions, about overuse injuries and money and burnout, I have seen in lots of articles that I've been looking at that not as many kids are playing in youth sports. So that is my feature article topic. Many studies show that there's a decline in kids participating in youth sports. What is your main topic going to be? What do you want to share that you have learned about in your research? Okay, so this is going to be kind of like when we did our main idea and details for our article, our IVF summary statement. This is like your main idea for your whole entire research, okay, your whole entire feature article. Then your job is also going to be to come up with your subtopics. You're going to take these three questions and you are going to turn them around into some type of statement that you're going to be able to prove with facts and quotes that you've been researching. Okay, so you should possibly be able to get these from your note-taking pages, or maybe you're just turning these into statements. Okay, so I am using some transition words because I have kind of changed the order in which I want to use it. I want to talk about money first. So I put to start off, and then I am going to change this. Does the cost of youth sports limit the types of kids that can play because of money? And I found out that I think it does. Okay, it does limit the types of kids can play. And what I found out was the more money a kid's family makes, the better access to sports. Now, I didn't say the better they are at sports, the better access they have to higher teams, traveling teams, and things of that nature. Okay, So I put to start off, that's my transition because this is going to be at the beginning of my feature article. Okay. You can use another transition word if you would like. Okay. And we'll talk about transitions more tomorrow. If you want to leave that blank today, that's fine too. Then, detail 2, I decided to go into burnout. So I'm using this last one. It says, does playing the same sport year round create burnout faster in kids? Well, I found out that sometimes it does. Okay, not all the time, but sometimes it does. Some of the articles that I read said that players who specialize in one sport may get burned out and quit playing altogether. So I'm going to show you some examples in this section of some players that did get burned out because they specialized in a sport. Okay. Then my final topic is going to be overuse injuries. I said, my question was, does playing youth sports create overuse injuries? And I found out that overuse injuries happen in many parts of an athlete's body and can cause athletes to quit a sport. So my job is going to be, for the rest of my paper, is I am going to have to come up with that text evidence to prove these 3 details. Okay. So your job today is to basically come up with your boxes and your bullets for your research paper. But you're changing them, they're not going to be in question form anymore. You need to word them in a statement and make sure that the statement is going to be something that you can defend later when you're researching. And we're going to go over the rest of this tomorrow. So I want you to get this done first today.